Welcome back, my little gems, in session 3 of English Literature, chapter 5, topic Funny Bunny. We discussed one story named Funny Bunny in our last session. Today, we are going to do all the textual exercises and question answers related to this story. Let's begin with fill in the blanks. On page 83 in your textbook, this exercise is given. Choose the correct option and fill in the blanks. Let's read number 1. One day, Dash fell on Funny Bunny. Funny Bunny के ऊपर क्या गिरा? Yes, a nut. Very good, children. And second one is Funny Bunny wanted to tell Dash what he saw. Funny Bunny ने जो भी देखा वो किसको बताना चाहता था? Yes, to the king. So, in this way, children, you also write these both the answers in your textbook. Now, let's read the question answers. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Name the animals and birds in the story. स्टोरी में कौन से एनिमल्स और बर्ड्स की बात थी? यस, बनी, फॉक्स, कॉक, hen, duck and goose. So our answer will be the names of the animals in the story are fox, bunny, cock, hen, duck and goose. Next question is, to whom did Funny Bunny want to meet? Funny Bunny किसको मिलना चाहता था? Yes, to the king. So we will write the answer in this way. Funny Bunny wanted to meet the king. Now let's move on to question number 3. What happened to all at the end of the story? सबके साथ लास्ट में क्या हुआ? So answer will be, at the end of the story, the fox took all the animals to a forest and ate them all. So children, write all these question answers in your notebook. Now let's move on to our next textual exercise. Let's make the noises that animals make. आपको पता है सारे एनिमल्स अलग अलग तरह की आवाज़ें निकालते हैं. जैसे लायन रोर करता है. देन हॉर्स क्या करता है? लेट्स लिसन. हॉर्स की आवाज़ को ने बोलते हैं. ने लाइक अ हॉर्स. देन क्वेक like a duck. Then bleat like a goat. Then how does pig sound? Grunt. And we all know dog barks. Let's listen the sound of dog. Next is moo like a cow. Do you want to listen how does a cow moo? Isn't it amazing? Then chirp like a sparrow. Every morning we listen to this melodious chirping. Children, have you heard how monkeys chatter? Now let's hear that. Do you know, children, when they see any danger, they make these kind of noise. Then last one is hiss like a snake. So children, now you all know different sounds all these animals make, right? So let's move on to our next exercise, which is about opposite words. Opposite words means the words which do not have same meaning, right? We have to write the opposite word of these words and then use those words in the sentence. Let's begin. First one is fat. And what is the opposite word for fat? Yes, thin. Mota, patla. The picture. That boy is thin. So we will write he is a thin boy. Next is fall. Fall means गिर जाना. And opposite word for fall is rise. ऊपर उठना. So the sun rises in the east. Word is start. And what is the opposite word for start? Yes, stop. Start, stop. Now let's make sentence using this word. We should stop at रेड सिग्नल. जब भी रेड सिग्नल हो हमको रुक जाना है. नेक्स्ट इज कम मीन्स आओ. एंड यस गो मीन्स जाओ. नाउ लेट्स मेक द सेंटेंस फॉर दिस वर्ड. जब क्लास में खड़े हो जाते हो तो टीचर क्या बोलते हैं? प्लीज़ गो बैक टू योर प्लेस. अपनी जगह पे वापस चले जाओ. Right? The last one is big. And what is the opposite of big? Bada, chota. Yes, small. Let's make sentence for this word. Sparrow is a small bird. So children, you also can make different sentences using these words. Let's move on to our next exercise. Circle the odd one out. Let's read the first one. BUN, bun. SUN, sun. FUN, fun. GUN, gun. ONE, one. Have you noticed, children? All these words sound same, right? But कौन से वर्ड का स्पेलिंग डिफरेंट है? यस, ONE, one. Children, in this exercise we have to find out whose spelling is different. Now second is BED, bed. FED, fed. LED, led. SAID, said. RED, read. So yes, SAID, said को सर्कल करना है क्योंकि उसका स्पेलिंग डिफरेंट है. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज HE, ही. ME, me. BEB, TEAT, WEV. नाउ चिल्ड्रन टेल मी, किसका स्पेलिंग डिफरेंट है? यस, TEAT का स्पेलिंग. So put a circle around the word T. Then last one is WAY, way. SAY, say. HAY, hey. PAY, pay. And THEY, they. Yes, we will circle they because उसका spelling different है. Children, in this way do this exercise in your textbook. And let's move towards our next exercise. In this exercise we have to fill in the blanks with correct words. Tell me children, अभी आप क्या कर रहे हो? यस, आप ये वीडियो देख रहे हो, तो जो भी चीज़ हम अभी प्रेजेंट में करते हैं उसको प्रेजेंट टेंस बोलते हैं, और जो चीज़ पहले हो गई है उसको पास्ट टेंस बोलते हैं. ओके, सो इन आवर प्रीवियस सेशन वी read one story. So now let's do the exercise related to that story. कि अब हमको पता है कि स्टोरी में क्या हुआ था. Let's start our exercise. I read a funny story of a funny rabbit. One day, a nut dashed on his head. तो फॉल है उसका मतलब है अभी गिरा, पर नट उसके ऊपर तो अभी नहीं गिरा था क्योंकि स्टोरी पहले बन चुकी है पास्ट टेंस में. सो वी विल राइट द पास्ट टेंस ऑफ दिस वर्ड फॉल, और फॉल का पास्ट टेंस है फेल. सो वी विल राइट द वर्ड फेल इन द ब्लैंक. नेक्स्ट इज ही थॉट दैट द स्काई डैश फॉलिंग. स्काई उसके ऊपर गिरा था, वो पास्ट टेंस था, तो प्रेजेंट टेंस है ईज, और ईज का पास्ट टेंस फॉर्म है वॉज. सो वी विल फिल द ब्लैंक विद द वर्ड वॉज. नेक्स्ट इज सो ही डैश टू टेल द किंग. वो किंग को बताने गया. तो जाना मतलब गो, और गो का पास्ट टेंस है वेंट. We will write the answer went, and on the way he met different animals. Next is all of them dash him. सब उसके साथ गए. तो join is the present form and joined is the past tense. So we will fill the blank with joined. Then at last they dash a clever fox. वो क्लेवर फॉक्स को मिले. सो मीट का पास्ट टेंस है मेट. वी विल राइट मेट इन द ब्लैंक. लास्ट वन इज इट टूक them to a forest and dash them all up. Past tense of eat is ate. So we will fill the blanks with ate. So children, in this way you also fill all the blanks in your textbook. In our next exercise, rearrange these words to form sentences. ये वर्ड्स को अरेंज करके सेंटेंस बनाने हैं. आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू वन एंड देन रेस्ट यू डू बाय योरसेल्फ. ऑन फनी बनी फेल और नट वन डे. सो क्या लिखेंगे? वन डे अ नट फेल ऑन फनी बनी. राइट? सो रीड ऑल दीज sentences and rearrange the words and write the correct sentence. Now these are rhyming words. You have to make the word which is rhyme with these words. Rhyming words are the words which have similar ending sounds, like down, crown, met, jet, then way, may, king, ring, soon, moon. Last one is bat, cat. So children, in this way you also write all these answers in your textbook. Now let's move on to our next exercise. Children, look at all these pictures and you have to form a story after observing these pictures. Let's begin the story with the first picture. फॉरेस्ट में 3 रैबिट्स थे, वो फ्रेंड्स थे और उनको कैरेट्स बहुत अच्छे लगते थे. There were 3 rabbits in the forest. and they loved to eat carrots. One day they went to a field and started eating carrots, unaware of the tiger who was sitting behind the bushes. उनको पता नहीं था कि एक टाइगर झाड़ियों के पीछे बैठा है. Then suddenly tiger attacked them and they ran to their friend, an elephant who was taking a bath in a river. जैसे ही टाइगर ने अटैक किया वो लोग भाग के अपने फ्रेंड एलिफेंट के पास चले गए जो नदी में नहा रहा था. And they had one plan and they said, please help us and save us from the tiger. After that, they all climbed up on the elephant's head and reached the other side of the river. तीनों रैबिट एलिफेंट के हेड के ऊपर चढ़ के रिवर के उस पार चले गए. Then the elephant filled the water in its trunk and threw it on the tiger. So tiger could not reach his friends the rabbits. उसने अपनी ट्रंक में पानी भर के टाइगर के ऊपर डाल दिया तो टाइगर वहीं रुक जाए और रैबिट के पास नहीं पहुँचे. Then after tiger went disheartened कि उसको शिकार करने को नहीं मिला. So children, how did you find this story? You liked it? Very good. This is the story about the friends. So we should always help our friends. It means a friend in need is a friend indeed. सच्चा दोस्त वही होता है वो ज़रूरत पड़ने पर हमारी मदद करे. With this story, our session gets over and it's time for homework. Look at these pictures and write the names of these animals in your textbook. So children, now we will meet in our next session with a new chapter. Till then, bye.